Secrets of becoming a famous person and a channel full of millions of views using artificial intelligence on YouTube. Every person wants to make a great income, but they do not know how to make money. So I have prepared for you an interesting tutorial and idea that is for you. It will help you earn a great income sooner and better. You've been amazed by the AI videos on YouTube, but did you know how you can use them to quickly and profitably create your own shortcuts? Here I will explain to you the best ways and tools to use artificial intelligence to generate viral videos, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. I have taught many videos about high-income videos and millions of views. Channel with artificial intelligence, the best way to produce content. Using artificial intelligence to create viral videos, how to choose optimal tools and solutions. Automating videos, a step-by-step guide. Step-by-step steps to create million-view short videos using artificial intelligence. Creating attractive and effective shortcuts. Earn money, from shortcuts to money. Ways to make money from millions of views per month. Using various methods and using artificial intelligence tools, you can produce viral videos quickly and with high quality and achieve significant income. Make the most of this unique opportunity by following this step-by-step guide. Creating a video story using ChatGPT. Creating video content is one of the most popular ways to convey stories and concepts to your audience, but sometimes, creating the right story for the video can be challenging. Now we need a script that we need to use ChatGPT. The steps of making a video story. Defining the topic and scenario. First, we define the topic and scenario of the video. For example, let's say I want to make a video about Scandinavian forests and Viking ships. Asking ChatGPT. Next, we ask questions relevant to our topic using ChatGPT. For example, please make an interesting story about Scandinavian forests and Viking ships. Content generation. ChatGPT automatically generates a story based on our question. We can use this story as the main content of the video, or use it as a template to create more stories. Next, we need to check the images created by Leonardo AI and see if they match the content of our article. Then we can select the required images for our article and add them to the text. Next, I will discuss how to use Leonardo AI to create images. Login to the Leonardo AI platform. First, visit the Leonardo AI website and log into your account, or create a new account. Select image type. After logging into your account, select the creative option to create new images. Image settings. In this step, you can choose the size and type of image you want. For example, you may need images of a certain size for your article. Create images using commands. Create the images you need for your article using appropriate commands. For example, you can tell Leonardo AI to create a picture of Scandinavian forests and Viking ships. Download images. After creating images, download them and add them to your article. Checking images and settings. Be sure to check images carefully before publishing the article, and make sure they match the content of the article and are of the right size and quality. Using other features. Also, you can use other features of Leonardo AI to create images with special effects and features to make your article better and more attractive. With these steps, you can create the images you need for your article using Leonardo AI and add them to your content. This powerful tool will help you create quality and attractive images for your articles and attract your audience. Now I want to move the photo with Runway. Runway is an online platform that allows you to turn your creative ideas into reality using artificial intelligence and image processing. As an artist, designer, developer, or creative person, this platform provides you with the tools and resources to bring your ideas to life in the form of AI projects, virtual reality, data visualization, and much more. As for 3D photos, the platform provides facilities for creating and editing 3D images, as well as creating virtual reality experiences. Through Runway tools, you can easily import 3D models, edit them, and even create new experiences with the help of virtual reality. Well, now we need voice. ElevenLabs is a software company that specializes in developing natural-sounding speech synthesis and text-to-speech software using artificial intelligence and deep learning. The company is recognized as one of the major companies behind the ongoing artificial intelligence spring. We convert the text that we gave to ChatGPT into sound. As for artificial intelligence voices, you can mention them in areas such as natural language processing, NLP, and audio and speech recognition, ASR, systems, for example. Artificial intelligence voices refer to a set of techniques and algorithms that give systems the ability to recognize, interpret, and respond to human voices. This technology is used in various fields, such as intelligent voice systems, such as Siri and Alexa, recognition of keywords in speech, automatic voice-to-text translation, etc. Now we want to edit it. You can still edit with different programs and online sites like Canva, or with Adobe Premiere, etc. I use CapCut to edit the effects. You can watch it too. CapCut is a video editing app for mobile phones released by ByteDance, maker of TikTok. This program has a variety of features that allow users to edit their videos with professional quality. Below we review some of the main features and capabilities of CapCut. Fast editing. CapCut provides fast and easy editing facilities that allow users to edit their videos in less time and with high quality. Video effects. This app offers a variety of effects and filters to add to videos, including lighting effects, color changes, and special effects such as composite and cinematic effects. Music and sound. With CapCut, you can add music or sounds you want to your videos and also apply various sound effects to them. Combine videos. This app allows users to combine different videos, apply transition effects, and edit their videos in an attractive and professional way. Image settings. CapCut provides image settings such as cropping, rotating, resizing, and adjusting image quality. Sharing. After editing the video, users can easily share their videos on various social networks. With these diverse features and tools, CapCut is a powerful mobile video editing tool that allows users to create professional and attractive videos. Video editing refers to a stage in the video production process where videos are edited using various tools such as video editing software. This process includes cutting, adding effects, audio and video adjustments, adding music, transitions between scenes, etc. The purpose of editing videos is to improve their quality and appeal so that they can attract more audiences. Earn YouTube through affiliate programs like Google AdSense, and also through digital products like educational products, books, selling side products, etc. Also, if you cooperate with companies and brands through sponsorship and direct advertising, you can earn more as a partner. TikTok and Instagram. In these networks, you can also earn money through advertising and promotional posts, cooperation with brands, selling side products, etc. Also, some people earn by producing exclusive content for companies and brands. Short videos and millions of views. Videos that have millions of views are usually monetized using advertisements and sponsorships. Also, as the number of views increases, so does the probability of earning money from the ads placed on these videos. In general, to earn money from videos, creating attractive content, producing unique content, collaborating with brands and companies, using advertisements, etc., are effective solutions. Thank you for being with me until the end of the video. Please like and subscribe if the video was useful to you to be aware of new videos. If you have any questions or need further guidance, I'd be happy to help. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.